We're out at the house, the little property. We're going to do some more work today. We're going to prepare a water barrel for gravity feed to give us some running water in the house, and finish demolishing the walls and shelves inside the house. It'll be fun.
Okay, so this wall isn't as easy to get down as we thought it would be. It is actually nailed into the side here, and the nail heads are really difficult to even find, let alone get out. And then it's nailed into the floor down here, and then it is screwed in right up here. However, I can't push it over sideways because of the nails on the floor and on the wall that I can't pry out with a hammer. So we're going to saw the bottoms off and then deal with the floors and nails.
All right.
So I'm going to teach Douglas and Drew how to paint this barrel black. We're going to do an experiment and see if we can get some hot water out of it, just having it black and heated by the sun. We have the tiny house of the property. You're looking out the window. Pretty cool. Eating what? You're eating gummy bears, huh? Are those healthy? You want me to help? Okay. Inside here, I'm going to try and get this bed apart today. Get these shelves down. And then maybe start cutting the insulation and getting it up in the attic area.
when we took down the wall, the bed, some more shelving.
Look at that. The wall, the last wall's on the floor because we're going to reuse
We're going to
it.
recycle that.
Yeah. We got the beds down. All the shelving over here is down. We did not get the table down, but that's okay.
Fell over.
You fell over?
My chest is on a cinder block.
What were you doing? Stepping on one that tipped over?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Here, tell the camera how much it hurts real quick.
Morning. We're headed back out to the property today. Only one of the dogs is going out with us today. Ace and Trip stayed home along with Baxter. Ace came home last night with more porcupine needles in his nose. I think he's had enough of that for today. So anyway, we're gonna go back out to the house and do some more work on it.
Okay, so we're thinking you walk in the door here. This is going to be our kitchen space right here. So we have that sink that can fit right here, put the Lazy Susan in the corner, and then either put the stove with the cabinets, countertop over that way, or put the stove right there where we framed it out and leave the cabinet this way. And then this wall that we've disassembled, we're going to use that to create the bedroom wall along this tape line here, and we'll put a door right in this range here, somewhere in there. Okay, and then inside the bedroom, that's our two closets that we have that we can hang clothes and basically a dresser and a closet at the same time. And that's our queen size bed. Over here we have some open space once the wall's up. Probably put a love seat or something right there in front of the wall. And then Dudley is sitting in where the stairs are going to go, roughly where this ladder is. Not quite that wide. We'll put the stairs in and then make a little closet underneath for our emergency evening, nighttime, potty time. Got this cool bucket. I get some sawdust and use that just for nighttime only. And then put some shelving in all the way up the stairs for space. And then this table we're gonna keep, but we're gonna take it and turn it lengthwise instead. Butt it up against the stairs over on that side, have it come down this way, and leave it at that height. Just take the tin off the bottom and put some shelving in. Because we do have some counter height stools at home, we'll bring those out here. And then the kids, of course, will be hanging out up there. And this side, I don't have an exact plan for it yet. So we have a loft up there that we're not positive what we're doing with it yet. That's it so far.
What are you doing, Duncan?
Hey! You okay?
That chair attacking you?
What's up, buddy boy? Arrgh, I got your feet stuck in everything. Ta-da! Good job. What's wrong? Here, let's see. We do this. Do that. There you go.
It's a regular chair.
Now you can have like a regular chair. Look. Those aren't 24 inches.
Yeah. Are those 2x4s or 2x6s?
These are 2x4s.
Yeah, they sure are.
They're 14 and a half.
Oh, I thought these were 2x6s.
Those are 2x6s.
So
Insulation. Got the quote wrong once again on the insulation. So we got all of the wall paneling down, all of the walls down. now need to insulate. The only thing we didn't get down was the table here is holding up 2 panels. So we gotta get the table taken down. We started that. Down here it's got a couple of boxes under here, some legs. So we're gonna take that apart and turn it and use it. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. Woohoo! We're gonna use it later, or we're gonna turn it and use it when we put it all back together again.
I'm making a hole in the bottom of this barrel to where we can have a gravity-fed shower during the summer months. I'm going to get a tankless propane water heater for other times. And we're painting it black to absorb more sun and give us a good hot shower.
You know what?
Excuse me. It smells like lemon.
Good.
Oh, this is going to work nicely. That worked beautifully.
Good.
Red for hot.
Uh-huh. Clever man.
What's that?
Red for hot. He's so clever.
Anyway, it's a beautiful day, huh?
In the neighborhood, yes.
Wow, look at that big
Pretty high
flat
up there too.
flat top.
Oh yeah.
Man, you know, this seriously, it looks like a Georgia O'Keeffe painting.
I know, it's crazy. We're admiring the view. The sky is so clean and big down here. We're just not used to it. So every day we're just out here in awe, looking at the amazing sky and clouds.
We'd normally be looking at other houses.
Yeah, where we're from, well, we also had mountains. We're from Salt Lake Valley, and there was just mountains all around too, so you didn't see as much of the sky. So it looks just huge down here. And then it was also packed full of houses, so it's nice to have this big, pretty view all the time. Woohoo!
Oh, doo-doo.
What? You didn't bring a big enough crescent wrench.
Oh, too funny, isn't it? Irony, the irony of life. Look at those clouds. Okay, so, well, I guess we can put this away. And then I can bring out a file to file it down. And then the correct crescent wrench.
Sounds like a plan.
Good.
So what did we just do?
Nothing. We were trying to fix the gravity-fed shower. First, I didn't bring out the right, I didn't use the right drill bit to begin with. And then I didn't bring out the correct wrench. I have no tools out here. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it.
Wave! Play. Duncan has a really big sandbox out here, huh, Duncan? Huh, Monkey? We need to get him some shovels and stuff. We've got this wash that goes through here that is cool. Nice and big. Lots of room to play. Lots of water to divert when it monsoons. Next year. Good job. Ta-da!
All right, hold on, Donkey.
Cool! Woohoo! Yay! Cool. Look at this cool storm.
That's really pretty.
Yeah, yesterday it went to the west of us. Looks like it's doing it again today. Really cool.